In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Grok AI. If you've been testing prompts, sharing your workspace, or simply want a clean slate, removing chats is a quick way to reduce clutter and protect your privacy. I'll guide you through it on the Grok website, and I'll add helpful pointers so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and going to grok.com. Sign in to your account if you aren't already. If you land on a general homepage, look for the Sign In or App button to reach your workspace. Using a desktop browser gives you the clearest layout, but the process is very similar on mobile. A quick tip: if pages seem slow or elements don't load, refresh the tab to make sure your latest conversations appear. Once you're in the app, look for the History section. Depending on your screen size, it might be in the left sidebar across the top navigation or tucked behind a menu or hamburger icon. History is where Grok lists your previous chats, typically sorted from most recent to oldest. If you don't see it right away, widen your browser window or open the main menu to reveal hidden options. When you open History, take a moment to scan the list so you're certain you're working with the correct conversation. Now locate the Delete option. You'll usually see a Delete button or a trash icon in the history view, either directly beside each conversation or within the chat's details. Click Delete on the conversation you want to remove. Grok may show a confirmation prompt. This is normal and helps prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully, then confirm if you're sure. The conversation should disappear from your history immediately after confirmation. If it still appears, refresh the page to update the list. Keep in mind that deletion is generally permanent and may not be recoverable. Double check the title or timestamp of the chat before you confirm. If the delete control looks disabled, ensure you're signed into the correct account. Try refreshing the page or temporarily turn off any browser extensions that modify the interface. On smaller screens, you might need to open a conversation first to reveal its delete option. And that's all there is to it. Go to Grok, open History, and click Delete on the chat you want to remove. Regularly trimming old or sensitive conversations keeps your workspace organized and makes it easier to find the threads you actually need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you follow along.